What if I told you that you can earn more money with whatever you are doing, whether it be freelancing, a job, or anything? What if I told you that you can earn more money with anything you are doing right now? So, in today's video, I am going to do just that. I am going to tell you how you can earn more money with whatever you are doing just now, whether it be anything. So, before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do that and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you like this video of mine, you can check out my other videos too. So, without further ado, let's get started. It will sound very simple to you, but if you want to earn more money with anything you are doing right now, then you have to add value. You have to add value in what you are selling. You have to add value in what are you doing. You have to add value in yourself if you want to earn more money. So first of all, let's talk about adding value to your products and services. So if you are selling a product, then you can add additional bonuses with that product. These additional bonuses can be complementary things or supplementary things. Complementary things like if you are selling a phone, you can give a charger with it. That is a complementary thing which Apple doesn't do. But Apple is a very big company, so that doesn't affect it. Not a lot. So if you are selling a phone, you can sell a charger with it. That is a complementary thing. And if you are selling a phone and you are already selling a charger, you can also sell a pair of earphones. That is a supplementary thing. So you have already added more value in your product, and if someone sees that you are adding more, you are giving them more value than anyone in the market, they will definitely buy from you. That's common sense. So, and if you are selling a service, consider you are selling a consultation service where you consult with students how to grow social media accounts. So, if you are selling a consultation program, you can add a free ebook with it. That is a supplementary thing, a bonus that will show that you are providing more value than anyone in the marketplace. So, if you are giving a free ebook with your consideration program, that's more value. So, you have to keep on adding value in your products and services if you want to sell them at a higher price or just want to sell them to a bigger audience. Let's talk about how you can add value to what you are doing. Add more value to what you are already doing, you have to make the process better. So if you already are doing a job or freelancing, then you can say it like that: if you finish your project in 1 week, you can add some value and finish your projects in 4 days. So if the average freelancers are finishing their projects in 1 week and you are finishing your project in 4 days, then you are providing more value to your customers than the average freelancers. So this is adding more value to what you do. If you are at a job, then you can find better ways to do something. If you are doing your regular job, you will get a regular paycheck. But if you tell your boss how can you improve this and this, and the boss says yes, you are very good at this, so keep doing what you are doing and you will get a promotion soon enough. So you got a pay raise, right? You got a pay raise and that's more money. So if you are at a job, then you have to improve the system. You have to be better. You have to be a better employee. And if you are a freelancer, then you have to add value to what you are selling, your service. So let's talk about how you can add value to yourself. Let's talk about how you can add more value to yourself. To add more value to yourself, you have to make yourself better. You have to read books, you have to exercise, you have to eat a healthy food. That is adding value to yourself. You are making yourself more efficient. You are making yourself more workable. You are making yourself more attractive. You are making yourself better. So you have to add value to yourself if you are aiming to earn more money than you already are. So first of all, you have to gain more knowledge. If you are in the finance sector, gain more knowledge about finance. If you are in the technological sector, digital sector, gain more knowledge about that sector. Then you have to add physical value too. You have to make yourself more efficient, wake up early, do exercise, eat healthy food, things like that. So if in a healthy body lives a healthy mind, so you have to keep your body healthy too, and you have to increase your knowledge and provide more value to others so that you can earn more money. That's it for today. This was a short video to tell you how you can earn more money. But if you want to watch other videos of mine, be sure to check out my channel and subscribe to it. Click the bell icon, like this video, and if there are some friends that you need to show this video to, share this video with those friends. Until next time, this is a business boy taking you towards your financial freedom.